Hello students, this is Aispati from Pati Tutorials. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to teach you about the basic concepts of trigonometry. So let us start. This is a right angle triangle, right? This is a right angle triangle. It is suppose A, B, C, and let the angle be right angled at vertex B. Now what shall we do? This is the hypotenuse of the triangle, this is the perpendicular, this is the base of the triangle. Let C be the angle theta. Let the angle at C be called theta. Now 6 ratios we are going to learn about. They are, one is sin theta. Sin theta, how to find out? Sine of this theta, means this angle is called theta. Sine of theta can be found out by taking the side which is just opposite to this theta, means this angle. The side which is opposite to this angle means that is the perpendicular, and divided by hypotenuse means h. So P by h is the ratio which gives you the value of sin theta. Next one, cos theta. Cos theta, how to find out? Cos theta is taken by taking the side which is adjacent to the given angle divided by hypotenuse, means base divided by hypotenuse means b by h. Then comes tan theta. Tan theta can be found out by taking the side opposite to the given angle, means P, and divided by the side which is adjacent to the given angle, that is B, means P by B. So tan theta can be obtained by taking P by B. Next three ratios, one is cosec theta. Cosec theta is just the opposite of sin theta. Sin theta is P by H. We will take H by P as cosec theta. Next one is sec theta. Sec theta can be found out by taking just the opposite of cos theta, because cos theta and sec theta both are opposite of each other. If cos theta is B by H, then sec theta will be H by B. Sixth one, that is cot theta. Cot theta is the last one, and this is just the opposite of tan theta. Tan theta is P by B, cot theta will be B by P. So simple to remember. Now I am going to give you an example. So this is suppose triangle PQR, and Q is the right angle. In this triangle, suppose question is asked that you find out cos R. Cos R means for this angle you have to find out the cos value. Means cos of this angle you have to find out. Cos R can be found out. Here R means it is the theta. Theta is R. Cos R. So cos theta, how to find out? Base divided by hypotenuse. Here base is QR, and we will get it divided by hypotenuse, that is PR. But suppose cos P it is asking. I am just telling what? Give importance to that. It is cos of angle P. So here angle concerned is P, not R. For angle concerned R, we are getting cos R equal to base by hypotenuse, means QR by PR, because this is the angle, means R will be the angle, so this will be the adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. But if this is the concerned angle, we have to take base which one? This will be the base, because this is the angle. The side which is adjacent to the angle will be PQ, so this is the base, and for this what will be the hypotenuse? This one PR, so PQ divided by PR will be cos P. For cos P you have to get PQ is the base and PR is the hypotenuse, so PQ divided by PR. I hope you liked the video, you understood it. And for the exercise, first exercise of trigonometry, you have to subscribe the channel, and if you want, you can like this channel, you can share it as much as possible. Thank you.